Hey, what's up out there, YouTube? Double D here with Tournage Dubois. Welcome back. In keeping with the holiday season and the spirit of that, today's project we are going to be working on an ornament. So I have a piece of resin that I had cut down. I used as an ice cream scoop for a client, and this just happens to be a perfect size for the tube insert. So we're going to drill it in the middle and put that tube in, and then these two little inserts will go into either end and we'll run a ribbon through. So this is going to be my very first ornament for our Christmas tree that I'm going to make. So we're going to have some fun with that, give that a try, kind of a test piece, learning of course as I go, doing some small stuff. I do want to give a shout out to Jade Wood Designs. Sent me their sticker. I did a sticker swap with them, so go check them out. I'll provide a link to their Instagram down below, so you can go check them out, see what work they're up to. They do a lot of river tables, charcuterie boards, things like that, which I'm hoping to get into when I get the shop built. Hopefully next year, hoping March-ish. We'll see how that ends up going, of course, with everything that is occurring right now. So we're going to get right into the project. I do want to let everybody know that I will be announcing the challenge for the month of January for the YouTube Cross Channel Challenge 2021 during this video. So please stay tuned. Be excited about that. Be watching for that hashtag if you follow hashtags. Hashtag YTCCC2021. I'll put that up right down here. So definitely follow that hashtag and see all the different channels that are participating. There's a link to all the channels that are initially participating just down below in the summary as well. And then as that list grows, I'll continue adding to that for those of you who want to continue following that across other channels if more channels join up. So without any further ado, we will go right ahead and get right into the project at hand and have some fun. That tube nice and scuffed up. That way the glue will stick to it, and then we'll put it in. So we're going to use our medium CA bond from Star Bond, our CA glue. I like to twist it around, that gets all the glue all over the edges and stuff. And we just put it right down where we need it to be. And we'll let it set. So then we'll even those ends up so that it's flush and go from there. So this uses a pen mandrel. So what we'll do is use our slimline bushings. And that is what we will turn down to. Put the piece on, put the bushings on the end. I'm going to put an extra one on this end just for a little extra spacing. Because this is resin, I'm going to be using my negative rake scraper. That way we'll get nice clean cuts. So we'll just be working our way through this and see what we come up with. Okay, everybody, so I have been thinking about the challenge for the month of January. And I spent a lot of time on this and just trying to figure out exactly what I wanted to do. We've talked about quantities of wood. We've talked about themes. We threw around different types of ideas. Some of the ideas that we've talked about I really, really like. The downside with that is the cost of international shipping for one of the ideas that was thrown out, which was, like I said, I loved the idea of doing a wood swap where you send someone else in the channel a piece of wood and they have to do something with that. But with the cost of international shipping and us using this project and having the project global in South Africa, Poland, the UK, the US, then that gets pretty costly. So what I've decided to do for the month of January is we're going to have a challenge and we're going to Okay, we're going to start sanding at 120 grit, work our way up to about 400, and then we'll hit it with the micro meshes. I will save that for myself because I don't like to share that joy with all of you. Please don't cry. Hey guys, sorry about that technical glitch we had a little bit ago with the challenge announcement. I replugged the thingamabob into the doohickey, so hopefully the whatchamacallit works right and we don't have that glitch going forward. So, like I was saying, I spent a lot of time thinking about the challenge and what I wanted to do with it. And I'm thinking, because it's January, and here in the northern hemisphere it's really cold, and the southern hemisphere it's really warm, what I think we need to do for the challenge is going to be and we are done with the sanding and the micro mesh, so we're going to hit it with some of our Mohawk finishing plastic polish and polish this up. And then we will get the pen press parts out so that we can put this all together. So we've got the top piece with the hole in it for the ribbon or thread or however you want to hang it. So we're just going to put that into the end. I'm going to Put it in this one. And we'll use this to push it together. This off. Then you've got the tail part, which will go into the other end. Joys of tiny parts with big hands. Alright, just a little kit. Let's put a piece of ribbon through there and then we'll come right back. Hey, welcome back. Got the ornament done. I got it tied up on some black ribbon. So I'm pretty happy with how that looks for a first ever ornament. Leave your thoughts down below. Feel free to leave comments, feedback, thoughts, whatever. Always open to suggestions and ideas. We will put some pictures up at the end, of course, as always. Look forward to the challenge next year. So make sure and follow all the participating channels down below to keep up to date with what's going on with what they're doing. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. It helps our channel grow. Once we hit the 250 subscriber mark, then we'll be doing another giveaway project, so that'll be a lot of fun. Looking forward to that. And as we continue growing, we will have those throughout the process as well. That being said, this is going to be my last video for the year of 2020. At least my last project video. I might do a quick update video. I'm not sure yet. Please, from our family to yours, I wish you and all your family the best of holiday seasons. Even though we're in this pandemic and we might not get to see all of our family and loved ones, please know that we appreciate each and every one of you. You are important, and I hope you just have the best holiday season that you possibly can. Thank you, and we'll catch you next year. Okay guys, we're trying this again. I've unplugged everything, rebooted everything. Hopefully this time, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. So rather than just take a long time to do this, we're just going to talk about it. The challenge for the month of January is fire. That is the theme. It's cold here in the northern hemisphere with it being winter. It's warm in the southern hemisphere with it being summer. So the theme is fire. Do what you will. Have fun with the project. Create something that represents or makes you think of fire. That's the challenge for the month of January. So everybody that's participating, we have until the last week in January to get that project done, the video edited, posted, and ready to go for the following month. During that time, the next person in that video, the end of January, will announce the challenge for the month of February. So be watching for that. I'm going to ask that if you post any pictures to social media, in your YouTube videos, etc., use the hashtag YTCCC2021 so that we can follow it. Everybody can see teasers of what's coming, what's going on, how much fun we're having with this. All right, so I have decided with each one of my projects that I do for this YouTube Cross-Channel Challenge 2021, I'm going to be donating each one of the pieces that I create for the challenges to an organization or a group that to be able to support them. So for the month of January, I'm going to donate the piece that I make to Make Zane Better. My good friend Bonnie out of Florida has a great nephew named Zane who had a bout with some pediatric cancer that had advanced rather significantly and very quickly. He was seen at St. Jude's Children's Hospital and they were able to get a lot of things taken care of. He had a little bit of a lapse back with some issues and is going through some pretty significant health issues currently. I will put a link to their Facebook page, Make Zane Better, down below. So if you're interested in following Zane's travels through these challenges and his family's support, please follow the page and consider donating if you would like to help out with some of the medical expenses that they've been having through their GoFundMe. Like I said, I'm going to be donating this piece that I make to them. So if they have an auction or whatever and want to raffle it off, then that will be available to help out in a way for them as well. So once again, go check their page out on Facebook. I'll put that link right down below at Make Zane Better. And we will get that sent out once it is all completed and the video is uploaded next month.